Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I treat my baby's sipon with steaming the both of us. So don't mind my face. It's really oily because I put some castor oil and olive oil on my face para 2-in-1 na lang din itong treatment na to. Naging spa treatment na rin siya for mommy and anti-sipon for baby. So this is the materials that you will need for this. So, aside from the mommy thing na pampaganda, actually, castor oil and olive oil, nakatanggal siya ng mga whiteheads and blackheads pag nag-i-steam ikaw. So, and then, anyway, back to the point. Sa pag-i-steam kay baby, this is what baby na may sipon. Diba? May sipon ikaw? Yan. Alam mo may sipon siya kasi yun, naririnig mong maingay yung paghinga niya. So what you will need is this DIY water boiler lang siya and a place to stay and a blanket. So magtatalokbong kami sa blanket na kasama yung steamer na to or yung water heater na yan, kaming dalawa ni baby para alam ko kung mainit na ba talaga. So, while nasa loob kami ng blanket, I get to have the controls dito sa button na to. Na i-off ko siya pag sobra ng mainit. Kasi too much steam can burn your skin. Okay? So, beware of that when you're doing it. Sometimes din, pag nasa loob si baby, I would breastfeed him pag umiiyak siya. Para lang he would stay calm. Pag hindi na siya masaya, breastfeed ko na siya. So, ayan. Talokbongan kami na kasama yung si baby and kasama yung steamer. So, yung kumot, umaabot siya sa floor. Ano, baby? Ano, baby? Oopsie! So, ayan. Nasa loob na kami ng blanket. Ayan si baby. Tapos, ayan. Makikita mo nasa floor yung blanket. Tapos, kasama yung steamer sa loob ng blanket. Tapos covered lahat. Hi baby! Baby, enjoy ikaw? Enjoy yan? Don't like? So guys, that's how you do the DIY steam bath for your baby na may sipon. This is baby after the DIY steam bath. Done! Ini-sponge bath ko na rin siya after. And ready for sleeping. And yung skin mo maganda na rin after. You just have to wipe it out with a bimpo and pwede mo na siyang itulog kasi moisturizing effect ng olive oil. So, me and baby want to thank you for watching this video. And, like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye! Feeling better now. Lesser sipon. Ano? Kumusta ang simbat mo? What can you say? You like it? Ready na ikaw to sleep. Good night, world! Bye everyone!